Making invisible threats visible today is now possible with VRR's Hollow Warrior 3D augmented reality app for enhancing situational awareness of existing 2D ATAC and other 2D map-based apps. Here you can see screenshots from our software features. The top left image highlights the built-in mission rehearsal capabilities, where anywhere on Earth can be generated photorealistically and geospecifically in seconds for mission planning or training. Next, top right, is an actual screen capture from Marines using Hollow Warrior within military base experiments. Taken together, the two images demonstrate VRR's commitment to Ender's Game style of warfare, blurring the lines between realistic simulations and actual operational uses. You can see on the bottom left that Hollow Warrior works just as well on land. The platform can also add our proprietary Hellhive swarm warfare capabilities without additional software. VRR is a privately owned small business located in Clermont, Florida. We develop technologies for military safety and effectiveness, including software for multiple operating systems and robotics applications. In the SBIR ecosystem, VRR is active in both DoD SBIR and STTR contracts, accumulating over $6.4 million in non-dilutive funding to date. Our team of experts have expertise in multiple domains, including advances in distributed manufacturing with centralized procurement, creating value for geographically dispersed production centers. Our Hollow Warrior software suite is utilized by several different DoD agencies for various operational needs. Please let us know how we can improve your warfighter's safety and effectiveness today. The sponsor for our current project wanted a single amphibious integrated precision augmented reality navigation system, or SIPAN, that could integrate multiple data streams and operator inputs to display virtually marked safe transit lanes that could assist mariners in maneuvering in GPS-denied or degraded environments. The ideal system would easily integrate and communicate with other mission systems and have the ability to be portable and available for use on a number of platforms and user bases. While this list of customer targets is representative of where SIPAN could be most useful, we also understand the potential dual use of this technology in the hands of civilians for commercial applications. VRR is pleased to provide our version, Hollow Warrior SIPAN, as the solution to the Marine Corps' challenge. Hollow Warrior SIPAN is nearly ready for transition. It has been successfully tested by active duty Marines on both sea and land, with a very positive end-user response. The screen capture on the right highlights how Hollow Warrior enhances situational awareness within multiple environments, including the fog the Marines were operating in at the time of test. You can see from the perspective of the Marine that the shoreline isn't visible, but with our Hollow Warrior features, we could semi-transparently blend in the photorealistic geospecific terrain with real-world viewing for any degraded visual conditions, including nighttime operations. The technology developed by our team of experts allows enhanced situational awareness for faster, better decision-making while simultaneously reducing cognitive workload. Our ability to combine 3D augmented reality with synthetic vision, such as the examples to the right, mean that we can generate artificially intelligent AR safe lanes that intuitively guide personnel through various hazards, using the ideal path and simple navigational aids in any environment. We can optimize Hollow Warrior to visualize any hazard our users can think of, from contaminated areas to degraded physical environments or areas where close combat is anticipated. Add our capabilities in drone control and swarm warfare, and you can see that Hollow Warrior is a true force multiplier in the hands of our warfighters. Hollow Warrior for the SIPAN project is Technology Readiness Level 6 and ready for early adopters to test and evaluate. The Hollow Warrior app runs on commercial off-the-shelf technology, including existing mixed, augmented, or virtual reality head-mounted display devices utilizing Windows and Android operating systems. By doing so, we can quickly fine-tune Hollow Warrior to your specifications without needing any additional hardware development or costly custom devices. HoloWarrior Saipan's intuitive 3D augmented reality, combined with 3D synthetic vision, already fulfills Marcor Syscom's requirements by providing accurate AR safe lanes through minefields with AI guidance aiding, displaying detected mines and obstacles passed through IS-2 Ops or ATAC, enables operators to designate and pass threats upstream, and allows for additional module options such as CBRN threat visualizations, control of drones and swarms, as well as call for fire and close air support visualizations. Our technology has been independently validated to enhance situational awareness, with operators reacting 3 to 5 times faster in similar environments. The same test demonstrated significant improvements in decision-making, in both operation and observation, while simultaneously reducing cognitive workload. It's important enough to repeat, operators using our HoloWarrior system reacted 30% faster, with over 99% accuracy in their observations. The Saipan module quantitatively improves performance of operators over existing baselines, enabling them to maneuver with much higher precision in smaller lanes of travel. When deployed operationally, this will translate into life-saving, time-saving, and cost-saving for warfighters in the worst possible conditions. HoloWarrior is primarily a 3D augmented reality app that evolves existing 2D map apps like ATAC and emerging apps like IS-2 Ops. In addition to our anticipated Marine Corps transition, we have agreed to multiple joint transition opportunities as well. All we need for additional transition of our software technology to your application is funding for customizing the application to your needs and for operational test and certification requirements. We plan on continuing to utilize the SBIR ecosystem to build our library of operationally useful technologies, enabling joint synergies for our warfighters and compounding the return on investment for taxpayer dollars. Although VRR is proud to support our nation's national security interests, we also understand the potential secondary civilian market, to include commercial marine boating apps. Our choice of operating systems allows rapid deployment for boat, automotive, and aviation manufacturers, including unmanned system manufacturers. Future applications include teleoperation of construction equipment, integration into multiple three-dimensional travel lanes, such as autonomous or remotely operated aircraft in crowded airspaces, and migration into video games as a plug-and-play heads-up situational awareness display. We fully anticipate HoloWarrior commercial variants to improve and enhance public safety on the waterways, highways, and skyways. To support this dual-use marketing approach, the United States Navy, through Navy Launch and Navy SBIR Transition Program, are helping us gain visibility and build relationships with new customers. VRR is looking for transitions into military projects and programs of record and is already engaged with several large DoD primes. We want to engage with you to provide the best and quickest methods to provide our tech to warfighters. It is important to emphasize the high payoff, low risk, low cost, and near-term solutions we have to enhance existing systems while preserving their existing and planned investments. We want to demonstrate to defense primes how VRR's technology can be specifically superior to internally produced software solutions. Our expertise and user-tested enhanced situational awareness capabilities, along with our ability to support modular upgrades to primes' existing products, allow us to pragmatically add onto and enhance your existing systems. Or, as we like to say at VRR, we complete, we do not compete. Thanks for your time and consideration. Please visit us at www.virtualrealityrehab.com for more information. If you liked what you saw in the video or have more questions for our experts, please don't hesitate to contact us, starting with our Chief of Operations, Kevin Hernandez. VRR invites brainstorming ideas to benefit our warfighters.